My name is Patrick and I'm studying a Masters in Creative Writing, and I'm from Ireland originally, and I've been living in Aberystwyth for quite a time. Sorry, anyways, for a while. Well, I did my undergraduate here, so I knew the department was really good, and I wanted to do it here because I wanted to stay living here because I really like the town. The Masters sort of splits itself into prose and poetry, and you do both. So you sort of do a number of modules in prose and a number of modules in poetry, and one module in publication, and then a final dissertation. I'm quite happy to do both, but I haven't decided, because I'm doing a part-time MA, I haven't decided what I'm going to finish up in. I thought it would be prose, but I'm starting to fall back in love with poetry, so I think I might do poetry. The people who teach here aren't just interested in the kind of 9 to 5. I mean, you can talk to them about the philosophy of writing or ideas, or they're very, very approachable staff. They're incredible writers, and that has a trickle-down effect on the people that they teach. So it'd be very hard to come here as a writer and not improve. Just exposed to writers of that caliber. So Tiffany, Matthew, Jacqueline, and Kate are superb writers. I mean, because I've read a lot of their work and I've been to their classes and I've had workshops with them, and it just immeasurably improves your quality of writing and your approach to it. When I moved to Aberystwyth originally, I just fell in love with it. I just think it's a beautiful place. The people are lovely. It's a lovely town. All the things I was told not to say. No, it's a really, really lovely place. It's a kind of Victorian seafront, and it's a great place to write because it's a really peaceful place to be. So yeah, so I found it really, really easy to settle in. It's quite a small place, so it's not difficult to make friends, not difficult to find work, it's not difficult to find things to do. And also the community of fellow students is great here. I mean, you make real friendships with other people who are really passionate about writing. So yeah, I think that's another side to the environment here that I'm not quite sure you might get in a larger institution or in a larger town. It's very easy to arrange to meet people here. It's very easy to pass work amongst each other and meet up and work on it. Absolutely come. It's a great place, and it's a fantastic department. It's a really friendly department.
Was there anything that you wanted to add that you feel?
Come here or people will die. No, that's an edit too.